Hello students, in last video we have discussed exercise 4.2 till question number 9 and today we will start from question number 10. So 10th first part, we have to simplify it. 3 by 2 whole to the power minus 1 divided by minus 2 by 5 whole to the power minus 1. So first step, this minus power we have to make positive power. So to make it positive we have to reciprocal this number. So do the reciprocal of this number, it will become 2 by 3 and then this power will become plus 1. Same thing here, minus 2 by 5, do the reciprocal of that number, it will become minus 5 by 2 and power will become plus. Next step, this division symbol we have to change into multiplication. So to convert division into multiplication, again we have to do the reciprocal. Do the reciprocal of this right side number, so it will become minus 2 by 5. After this you can multiply. Here symbol is plus, plus into minus, minus 2 into 2 4 and 3 into 5 15. Second part, minus 1 by 4 whole square, then again whole to the power minus 1 and whole to the power minus 2. 3 times power is there. So we will start from inside. First, power to the power means we have to multiply. So it will become 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Then whole to the power minus 2. Again power to the power we have to multiply. So minus and minus will become plus, 2 and 2 will become 4. So minus 1 by 4 to the power 4. So multiply it 4 times, then you will get answer 1 by 256. Minus symbol 4 times we are multiplying, so finally answer will be in plus. Question number 11, simplify. 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 5 whole to the power minus 2 minus 1 by 6 whole to the power minus 2. So again first step, this minus power we have to change into plus. So to make it plus we have to do the reciprocal of this number. It will become 3 by 1. This next number will become 4 by 1. This will become 5 by 1 and here 6 by 1. Now denominator 1 is not necessary to mention. So we are leaving here. 3 by 1 whole square we can write as 9 by 1. So 1 no need to write 9. 4 by 1 whole square is 16. 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36. Now simplify it. 9 plus 16 25, 25 plus 25 50, 50 minus 36 40. Question number 12. Express each of the following as a product of prime factor in the exponential form. So first part is 108 into 192. We have to do the prime factor of these two numbers and then we have to express our answer in exponential form. So 108, do the factor. Use prime number only here. So 2 54 times, 2 27, then 3 9, 3 3 and 3 1 time. Similarly for 192 also we will do the factor. 2 9 ja 18, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16, then 2 2 ja 2 4 ja 2 12 times, 2 6 times, 2 3 times and 3 1 time. So first we are getting 2 2 times, 3 3 times. Second time we are getting 2 6 times and 3 1 times. Now combine it together all the 2's. So we have 2 2 here, 6 here. So total will be 2 to the power 8 and 3 3 here, 1 here. So total 4. So 3 to the power 4. This is your answer. Second part, 729 multiplied by 64. So do the factor of 729. It is a odd number. So we will check from 3 first. So 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. Then again with 3, 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja and 3 1 ja. Same thing for 264 also. 2 32, 2 16 time, 2 8 time, 2 4 time, 2 2 times and 2 1 time. So here we are getting 3 6 and 3 2's. Sorry, 6 2's. So we can write it as 3 to the power 6 multiplied by 2 to the power 6. Third part, 384 multiplied by 147. So do the factor of 384. It is a even number, means we can start with 2 2 1 ja, 2 9 ja, then 2 2 times, 2 96 times, 2 48 times, 2 24, 2 12 times, 2 6 times, 2 3 times, and 3 1 times. Then 147, it is a odd number, we'll check with 3. 3 4 ja, 3 9 ja. Then 49, 7 7 ja, 7 1 ja. You can use your divisibility rule also, which you have learned in 5th standard, to check these numbers will divisible by which number. So here we are getting 2 7 times, 3 1 time here, 1 time here. So 2 times, and 7 2 times. So our answer is 2 to the power 7 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 7 to the power 2. Question number 13. Simplify and write answer in exponential form. So first we have to simplify, and then again our answer we have to write in exponential form. So first part, 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 0. 3 to the power 3 means 3 we have to multiply 3 times. So it will be equal to 27. 2 to the power 2 means 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4. Plus 2 to the power 2 again 4 multiply by 5 to the power 0. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. Next 27 into 4. We have to use here BODMAS rule. So first do the multiplication. 27 into 4 108. 4 into 1 4. Then we can add 112. Again after getting this 112, do the factorization and write your answer in exponential form. If it is mentioned only simplify, then we can leave our answer here. But in this question it is mentioned write your answer in exponential form. So we have to change it into exponential form. 13th second part. 9 square plus 11 square minus 2 square multiply by 3 multiply by 7 to the power 0. So 9 square means 9 multiply by 9, 81, plus 11 square means 11 multiply by 11, 121, minus 2 square means 2 into 2 4, multiply by 3 multiply by 17 to the power 0 means 1. Now 81 plus 121 and 4 into 3 into 1 is equal to 12. Add these two numbers and subtract 12 from it. So 190 you will get. Again do the prime factorization of 190. 2 95 times, 5 19 times, and 19 1 time. So answer is 2 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1, 19 to the power 1. Mentioning power 1 is not compulsory. If you are writing 2 or 2 to the power 1, it is same. Question number 14th first part. By what number should we multiply 3 to the power 4 so that the product is 3 to the power 7? So here we have to multiply some number with 3 to the power 4 to get the answer 3 to the power 7. So we are multiplying x. So 3 to the power 4 multiply with x and answer will come 3 to the power 7. Now next step, this 3 to the power 4 is here in multiplication. When we will shift it another side, it will go for division. Then here 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 4. Base is same and division is there. It means power we have to subtract. So it will become 3 to the power 7 minus 4. So x is equal to 3 to the power 3. Question number 14th. Second part. By what number should we multiply minus 6 whole to the power minus 1 so that the product is 10 to the power minus 1? So here also we have to do the same thing. We have to multiply some number with minus 6 to the power minus 1 to get the answer 10 to the power minus 1. So let number to be multiplied as x. So we are multiplying this number with x and answer is coming 10 to the power minus 1. First step, this minus power we will make it plus. So to make it plus we have to reciprocal it. Minus 6 reciprocal will be 1 by minus 6. If denominator is not there, it means 1 is there in denominator. Same thing right side also, 10 to the power minus 1 we can write 1 by 10. Next step, this minus 6 here in division, when we will shift it another side, it will become it will go for multiplication. So 1 by 10 multiply by minus 6 by 1. Then simplify it, cancel with 2 table, 2 3 and 2 5 times. So x value will be minus 3 by 5. Question number 15. If 12 by 13 to the power 4 multiply by 13 by 12 to the power minus 8 is equal to 12 by 30 to the power 2x, then find the value of x. So in this question, this statement is given. We will start from this statement only. First step, this minus power. We can see here this is 12 by 13. This is also 12 by 13. Only this middle term is 13 by 12. So we will make it 12 by 13. So to make it 12 by 13, we will reciprocal it. And when we are doing reciprocal, this power we have to change the symbol. First step, it is minus. When we are making 12 by 13, we have to make it plus 8. So it will become 12 by 13 to the power 4 multiplied by 12 by 13 to the power 8 is equal to 12 by 13 to the power 2x. This side base is same 12 by 13 and multiplication symbol is there. If base is same and multiplication symbol is there, power we have to add. So it will become 12 by 13 to the power 4 plus 8. That is equal to 12. So we have 12 by 13 to the power 12 is equal to 12 by 13 to the power 2x. Base is same both the side and equal to symbol is there. It means this side and this side is equal to each other. Because base is same, so power we can do the comparison. So after comparing the power, we are getting 2x is equal to 12. These powers are equal to each other. Now this 2 shift another side, it will go for division. So 12 divided by 2, 6. So x value is 6 here. Thank you for watching.